Friends, today I will try to show you some electrical work of GSM room and telephone room. Let me show you. The area you are seeing is our GSM room, and as you are seeing these two columns, after the two columns, this area is our telephone room. Let me show the GSM room electrical pipes first. Here you are seeing this area is one emergency TV. All the lights for GSM room and sockets, everything comes to this TV. If I show these pipes clearly, as you see the two pipes here, we make one hole in this plywood and drop these two pipes. This one pipe is go directly to DB and another one go to AC thermostat. These two pipes you are seeing in this column, we take these two pipes from this DB for AC. And that 220 mm pipe you are seeing, it's for 13 ampere socket. After that you are seeing these two pipes, 20 mm pipes, these two pipes for 13 ampere socket. One socket in this wall, as you see, and another pipes in beside this. These pipes I am now pointing in this. This one goes to this wall, as you are seeing. You are seeing this junction box. This junction box for lights. These pipes for switch. From junction box we drop one pipes for the switch. The balance three pipes you are seeing. All these pipes are for 13 ampere sockets. In GSM room we have like three or four sockets. These all are pipings work we done for GSM room. There will some isolators also come in GSM room. We'll take the power through cable tray. We'll make by cable tray. We're not putting any pipes for these isolators. Now I am in telephone room. Telephone room and GSM room pipings are almost similar. Same, we are fixing one ETB emergency DB for telephone room. There is no normal DB because these are some emergency services. We need uninterrupted power supply for these services. Telephone room, GSM room. These two pipes are AC outdoor 25 mm. And these two pipes for FCO. One is go to FCO, and from FCO point we take one pipe to where the thermostat will come. These two pipes go for the 13 ampere sockets. This one goes for junction box for telephone room lights. This one is 13 ampere sockets, where another one is also same 13 ampere socket. The main ODF will come here. As you see, there is 4 pipes here we drop. We have 2 watchman room here. We take 2 pipes for one watchman room and another 2 pipes for another watchman room. Directly from this ODF, Cat 6, this telephone cable will go directly to these watchman rooms.